Hey man, let me ask you something. How many times have you found yourself zoning out during an important meeting or class only to snap back to reality with no clue of what's going on? Or maybe you've been stuck in an endless cycle of distractions, bouncing between your phone, social media, and that nagging voice inside your head, unable to get anything done. If this sounds familiar, you are not alone, my friend. In today's world of constant stimulation and information overload, it's easier than ever to lose focus and let your mind wander. But we have got a secret weapon straight from our ancient scriptures of India, and that is mindfulness. I have three valuable gifts for you if you stay till the end of this video. Well, what exactly is mindfulness? It's all about training your mind to stay present and focused on the here and now. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your attention and keeping those pesky distractions away. But mindfulness isn't just some new age fad. It's a practice that has been around for centuries with roots in ancient Indian philosophies. There is this famous saying which says the future depends on what you do today. And what better way to make the most of today than by being fully present and being mindful? Now, I know what you're thinking. You might be saying, dude, meditation sounds boring and it's impossible. But hear me out. Mindfulness doesn't have to be about sitting, cross-legged for hours together, chanting mantras, unless, that's your thing, of course. It's about finding simple ways to anchor your mind in the present moment, no matter what you're doing. For instance, you could try the ancient practice of pranayama or breath control. The next time you feel your mind is wandering during some task that you're doing, take a few deep breaths and focus on the sensation of the air that is coming into your body and which is going out. It works like a reset button for your brain. I promise that. I would also suggest you to channel your inner warrior and go with the teachings of our own Bhagavad Gita, which emphasizes the importance of staying focused and detached from the distractions. Imagine yourself as Arjuna, ready to conquer the battlefield of your mind with unwavering concentration. In Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna tells Arjuna, Karmanye vadhikaraste, ma phaleshu kadachana, ma karma phala heturvur, ma te sangostva karmani. It means you have a right to perform your prescribed duties, but you are not entitled to the fruits of your actions. Never consider yourself to be the cause of the results of your activities, and nor be attached to inaction. This is such a profound meaning, and it sets us free from the anxieties and worries of the future. In simple words, Krishna is just saying all we have to do is to focus on the task in hand. As simple as that. But mindfulness isn't just about ancient wisdom, it's also backed with modern science. Studies have shown that regular mindfulness practices can improve your focus, your productivity, and even reduce your stress and anxiety. So, not only will you be tapping into the collective knowledge of ancient Indian scriptures, but you will also be giving your brain a serious upgrade. And let's be real, who doesn't want to be the guy who can stay focused and get things done while everyone else is struggling with a constant weaponry of distractions? Mindfulness is the ultimate superpower for success in today's fast paced world. So, are you ready to unleash your inner focus warrior and start living in the present moment? That's great because I have got something really special for you. I will be hosting an exclusive masterclass on Unlock Your Laser Focus, where I'll be diving deeper into practical strategies and techniques to help you cultivate a more focused lifestyle. We'll be exploring various mindfulness practices and we'll be getting rid of some common myths that we have about focus. And I will be giving you some tools that you need to stay focused and productive no matter what life throws at you. But that's not all. As a special bonus for watching this video till the end, along with the masterclass, I am giving you free access to a 30-minute one-to-one coaching with me and my VIP community access, where you can meet like-minded men who want to build focus in their lives. So say goodbye to overwhelm and stress in your life. This masterclass will be packed with valuable insights, real-life examples, and also an interesting demonstration which will blow your mind. And the best part, it's completely free. All you have to do is click the link in the pinned comment below to reserve your spot. Attend this masterclass and get that competitive edge in both your personal as well as professional life. So, what are you waiting for? Join me on this mindfulness journey and let's unlock the secrets of laser focus. I'll see you at the masterclass. Namaste.